Good day. It is currently 11:59. We're a few seconds away from the Euro Japanese yen entry point for the next 15-minute expiry at 12:15. So let's quickly have a look at the chart. ITM Genesis Elite indicates that price has currently got a very low probability, roughly 5 to 8%, of staying within this current boundary. Therefore, the logical choice, carrying a much higher probability of success, is this outside boundary trade we're entering into now. Let's just make sure the price has been given to us. No, let's quickly go back in there. Lots of volatility at the moment. And once this trade is in, we're going to pause and come back to you shortly before the expiry time at around 12:14 or earlier. All right, we're back with roughly 27 seconds remaining here on this Euro-Japanese yen outside boundary trade due to expire at 12:15. As you can see, price has exited that boundary quite comfortably and is trending further and further away at the moment from the upper edge of the boundary. This was an example of a very high probability outside boundary trade indicated to us by ITM Genesis Elite, which issues a probability for price to be staying within the current boundary, which was very low at the time, between 5 to 8%. Therefore, the natural probability for an outside boundary trade was in the 95 to 100% region. Very, very high. Very strong analysis. Nothing is 100%. But this was a very high probability event and gave us a ample amount of time to enter into the trade for this 15-minute expiry. The 10 to 15 and above minute expiries are very safe expiries because they really allow price to move quite comfortably without the spikes associated with much shorter time frames like the 30-second, 60-second, and 2-minute time frames, where price has the potential to enter back into entry points and break trades. 15-minute expiries pose no threat of that sort because you're either outside the boundary or you're not, and price has a reasonable room in terms of time as well as price to move and get into the trade. Thank you very much.